prompted offenses. Lemon the clan and the bosom I have told. And the long and the big of our and the record of the woman who had the Sokai, but the Bobuna and on the Luka, so on the Luku in the big on the show. Of course, they are good to us. Oh, we didn't even know we're not going to be so in the tracking. And we know what's wrong with it. We're not going to put all that over the line. We're not going to walk out color of the singer. And I'm not going to Bermuda, I'm not going to sing at all. And I think you know the people who like that at all. As long as the same is our families, they are good to us. And though we're not going to do such a kind of room, but they are regarded as stepping stones to victorious living. And though we're not going to do such a kind of room, but the lady of Batra, may say, don't be power. No, the round we do that, come out and pull that guy on the door, and the missing at the time. We're not going to do the room, because they have to do better. Say, very soon, we'll be able to take it again. The root, we want to know how. But the kid of our village are good to us because they save us in our comfort zones. And the pulling the Nikanda, the element of the people and go, and the woman not to kill another Mula, and the pulling the shadow of the wall. And the woman on the door of the Wawel and the Bimbi, can they type it and they kill the ground. Can they call that they teach us not to lie on our strengths. And the Kikanda, the people in the the material lesson we began the first text that was this morning is about the fall of man. Man created in the garden when confronted, when bombarded by the storms of the devil's temptation and suffered that great fall. However, God spoke through this man at the time of the fall. The awesome flow and the practical book in Bendre. The mother looked at mother and Mary. Can you know the second text this morning? God spoke up during the peak of the fall of man. Failure was evident in all sides of his life. Which the Bible said in Galatians 4:4 was the fullness of time when God sent his son. The Colossians really began that to the Catholic and the letter that they are posting on the program, the person that the pro said, where I'm the Lutu, the Nondamalum, or Kaboskina de Program, Kaboskina Pola, no le vuelve a reclatia, no se va, the Kinema, Nisa, Nisa, Kenona, Santa Clara, not better, not known, but Jesus Christ. There was, first figure was the moral failure. Moral decay and corruption was at its peak. Evil was bad as the time of God. Wickedness was equal to that of Sodom and Gomorrah. There was also spiritual failure. There was spiritual blindness and emptiness. Glory to God. So when I said, "Oh, my God, because I had this one, I can't go and take it." The boss of the world with Puna, the two bats, and no more. Can you go and do a classic and before play with Puna? Can't just see that they do wrong. So I told you what, and Mula is strong on the boy. Glory to God. We said, look, no Mula. Glory to Mama, in the hall and Mula. We don't get nothing to time. So I said, no, not a color of the people. So I was like, there was a turkey and a man barrel of the man. You're waiting to the sun. The message that was such mine. The dead failure, there was also economic failure. Money was insufficient to meet the needs. Poverty escalated. There was overcrowdedness and shortage of food. Because I couldn't attend the night, you are a tool in the neck, the regular kingdom of the Oscar, we kept up and no one did be a rumble. And There are few points that I wish to share this morning. Firstly, broken silence. Kaboro, Mibanahan, Sefuroki, Mibanahan, Miko. God did not just leave man in the garden and return without caring about what happens later. Even though God stopped working on the seventh day, that does not mean that he stopped caring or taking care of his work. He kept watching by with great care and concern so that nothing happens to spoil his goodness. However, when man failed his plan failed and relationship was broken. Broken relationship prompted broken silence. this morning